Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Snowflake to read from Google Cloud Storage step by step clearly. First, log into your Snowflake account. Navigate to the Snowflake worksheet. Create a file format for Google Cloud Storage. Use the SQL command to define the file format. Specify the type as CSV or your desired format. Include relevant options such as compression. Next, create a storage integration for Google Cloud Storage. Use the Create Storage Integration SQL command. Provide a unique name for your storage integration. Incorporate the type as GCS in the command. Set up the storage integration role and permissions. Now, generate a Google Cloud Service account key. Go to the Google Cloud Console. Create a new service account if you don't already have one. Assign the service account the Storage Object Viewer role. Download the service account key in JSON format. Return to Snowflake and configure the storage integration with the key. Use the Alter Storage Integration command to set the key parameter. Input the contents of your JSON key file. Update the storage_integration to include the GCS bucket details. Use the appropriate region and bucket name in your command. Next, test the connection from Snowflake to Google Cloud Storage. Execute a sample SQL query to list files in your specified bucket. Verify that Snowflake successfully accesses the Google Cloud Storage. If there are no errors, your setup is complete. Now you can load data from Google Cloud Storage into Snowflake. You are ready to work with your data in Snowflake. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.